Hello Simply Fitnetics, and welcome to your second power workout of the week. You guys are so spoiled. This workout we'll be doing this Monday's power move, which was a happy monkey exercise. Doesn't that sound like something you want to just jump up and do? This is a time challenge. You're going to see if you can do 3 rounds, how fast you can do the 3 rounds in with good and proper form. Doesn't mean if I can do it in 10 minutes, you must do it in 10 minutes. Today it takes you 20 minutes, next week it takes you 18 minutes, and in a month or 2 months it takes you 10 minutes. So this is your personal own time challenge, not one for me. I'll only be going through 1 round for you guys today, so you can write it down. This workout needs no equipment, does not need a lot of space, so write it down. You can do it in your living room either with me, you can write it down and do it at gym, you can do it in the park, you can do it at your office, at your lunch break. It's very short, it should take you less than 15 minutes, but like I say, there's no time limit to it. I've only got an interval timer just to time myself, that's it. We're doing reps. I'm going to press start on this thing. I'm obviously already warmed up. Oh, before we start, I want to tell you that this workout has a buy-in and a buy-out, meaning that before you start this workout, you need to do 2 minutes of jump rope, okay? So I don't have my jump rope here right now, but that means you're going to set your interval timer or your iPhone or whichever time you have on 2 minutes, and you're just going to be, you don't need to do high knees like a crazy person. You can just do as long as you jump for 2 minutes, hold on, straight through, that's brilliant, and at the end of the workout you do another 2 minutes of jump rope. It gives you a total of 4 minutes, but you've got these exercises in between. So you don't do this before each and after round, you have 2 minutes, you do your workout of 3 rounds, and then another 2 minutes of jump rope. Okay, so now after I've done my 2 minutes of jump rope, I'm all sweating, and I'm starting with the workout. The first one we're doing happy monkey, 10. So happy monkey, your feet is out, jump in, jump out, jump up, fall forward, do a press, and back. That was 1. In, out, up. 2, in, out, up. 3, in, up, up. 4, in, out, up. 5, in, out, up. 6, in, out, up. 7, in, out, up. And 8, in, out, up. 9, in, out, up. 10, in and tested. Next we're doing 30 side lunge jumps. One leg is bent, the arm straight out. Try to reach your toe, jump, switch legs for 30 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Remember to breathe. 3, back straight. 6, tummy in. 20, last 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're just doing 10 push-ups. So go down on your plank. Don't drop your hips. Be nice and secure. Abs nice and top. Tight. Go down for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back up. Whew. Last exercise of this routine, in this round, is A squat. So feet not shoulder width apart, toes are pointing straight ahead. We're doing 20. Deep breath in, down, 1. Drive the hips forward. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was one round. So one round with all my babbling took 4 minutes and 8 seconds. So I think without me babbling should take about 3 minutes. You should maybe do about 5, but let's see. And then remember, the 2-minute jump rope before your 3 rounds, and then 2 minutes again afterwards. Have fun with this one. Like I said, there's no equipment. It's just your beautiful body that you're using to do all these little easy moves. Have a look at the video, write it down, follow me along, try it in your own time, like it, share it, tweet it. Let's get the word out, let's all get fit this summer together. See you guys next week. Thank you.